Crude oil stayed bullish yesterday. It has achieved 78.5 levels and the 20 period moving average, and now trading again back to the support levels at 77.4, 77.6 levels. I hope you all profited with the twice a day updates yesterday. Now, what to expect today from crude oil? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Let's start. Now, on the hourly chart, see prices are divergent here from the moving average. It is converged here. It is taking the support from 77.4. Now, we all know I have mentioned several times 77.4, 77.6 is a greater support zone for crude oil. It has come back to the same zone. And yes, if it stays below 77.4, we can look forward to 77 levels and 76.6, 76.4 zone as the next target. Now, what has happened here? After scaling to the highs, it has dropped. It has shown a reversal sign, a minor retracement, and again trying to trade with bearish. So it is showing slight bearish signs. Possibly 77, 76.6 levels are going to remain a greater support here. On the upside, yes, beyond 77.8 levels, we can expect it to reverse towards 78.2, and it is above 78.5. We can stay bullish here in crude oil, where we can look forward to further rise. See, stochastic here is looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. MACD has crossed over again at a slightly higher levels and trading with divergence, and it is looking downwards and trying to show slight bearishness. I will wait for it to retrace a little and then cross over for the bullishness. RSI looking downwards as of now. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, after rising here, it is retraced, taking the support from 77.4. Also, one must note that the nearest support here at 77.2 and 77, these zone completely between 77 and 77.4 is a greater support zone here. Yes, after forming a red candle, it is taking the support, it is trying to retrace. Let's see if it breaks past 77.8 here. Stochastic back to oversold. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over, and if you look at MACD, see, first wave is done and the greener part of this wave is done. It can try to retrace, and both the times it has hit a bottom. So last time when it has hit a bottom, what has happened? We have seen extreme lows. So this time, if it continues on the downside, more bearishness may prevail. RSI looking downwards as well. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, see, moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish sign. But if you look at what has happened, one bearish candle, couple of retracement, and second bearish candle, what it will try to do, it can try to move towards 77 levels, 76.8, or in fact it was 76.4, 76.6 levels. Yes, these are greater support zone here, and achieving this support, it can recover, it can bounce back strongly. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green. It can try to cross over, but right now it is still staying bullish. If you look at the waves, first wave done, second wave done, and if it crosses over here, the bears will take over. RSI staying near to the overbought zone here. On the 4-hour chart, now see, on the 4-hour chart, first of all, the preceding candle has a little wick on the upside and the closing is at a flat bottom. Yes, the retracement, this was a retracement here, and it is taking the support here. So only thing is, once it stays below 77.4, first the higher price has to be below 77.4. You can initiate a sell entry, but then expect 77 levels, very good support, and then 76.4, 76.6, the greatest support here. As long as these levels are not taken, we should not be treating oil as bearish. See, stochastic was overbought. It has cooled down a bit. It is trying to drop a bit. MACD was trading with divergence and bullishness. It can possibly converge. Right now, it is not showing the signs of a crossover. RSI staying flat. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, first higher highs, higher lows, achieve 20 period moving average here. And right now, even if you look at on the daily chart, see, lower highs are seen here, lower lows are seen here. So it is staying in this bearish channel. Thus, for the day, oil has to stay above 78.5, 78.6 zone. If at any point of time you see oil staying above 78.5, 78.6, we can look forward to $80 levels, and in fact it can rise further highs. Yes, I will look forward to this zone here where the 50 and 100 period moving averages are crossing over. Also, if you look at the preceding candle, yes, it is a bullish candle. It is the body size is almost half the size of the complete move. This suggests that the bulls are still there, and though it has retraced a little, it should not be treated bearish. On the downside, as I said, and as I mentioned, 76.4, 76 point zone, 6.6 zone, as long as these are not taken, we are not going to treat oil as bearish. Thus, to benefit from both the downside and upside move, we can sell here at 77.4. The higher price has to be below, and then one can keep trading with the trailing stop loss, where we are going to put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. Support levels 77.76 points, first at 77, then 76.6 are very strong. Thus we have to book profits at around those. Only if it stays below 76, you can say that oil has turned bearish. On the upside, we are going to buy at 77.8 levels. Now, if you see, the stochastic is also rising. See, the MACD has crossed over at bottom, and the wave is done. It is looking upward, so it can bring more bullishness here. RSI is rising as well. Thus, we have to take the trades on both the sides. At 77.8, you can buy, expect it to rise towards 78.4, 78.6 zone, first target. And then if it stays above, we can look forward to 79.5, 79.6, and then $80 levels will be taken. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. If you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch started yesterday on 20th of November. Yes, all the recordings will be there. You will be part of Alumni channel, and we will be teaching you tools, techniques, and strategies. More details about the batch is available in my platform forexfunda.com, where we also have other offerings for you, be it the economic calendar, be it the charts, be it the schedule a call option, or the community, live community of the vibrant traders. You can just visit the page, find the details. You can also book my webinar for coming Sunday, where we are going to discuss the indicators about the markets and what to expect from markets in the coming week. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, where trading as per the signals, you can definitely benefit. Reach out to me if you need any guidance, help, or support. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And before leaving the video, do press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.